Hello everybody, I am Annette Klinkert from City to Science in Germany. Today I would like to introduce to you a new format that we developed for science engagement in times of COVID-19. What we created was a social Makeathon called Open Public Places. Now, what is a social Makeathon? If you know Makeathons or hackathons, normally these are digital gatherings developing new technologies. We live in a time where we need social innovation, where we need new ideas co-creatively developed to rethink the way we want to live and work. A social Makeathon brings together people from all walks of life, from all generations, to co-create new ideas for open places, for public areas in times of social distancing, and for a new understanding of the urban environment in which we live. The question today for a lot of scientists is how to bring evidence and knowledge to the public. What we tried to show with the social Makeathon was that it's more important to enter local innovation processes than to simply transfer existing knowledge to the broader public, whatever that may be. So instead of having an abstract transfer of knowledge, we created knowledge and innovation teams related to urban local challenges. These challenges were not just technological challenges. So we invited people from different scientific disciplines and from different areas of the local urban community, which were retailers, shop owners, musicians, people from policy, who then worked together with scientists from architecture, economy, design, to co-create an environment and use the city as a living lab. One venue that we analyzed during the Makeathon was churches and their role in urban squares and areas and neighborhoods. Some examples that the Makeathon came up with were, for example, urban gardening for the community, for different religions, backgrounds, generations, so the areas could be used. Another example was to have rehearsal spaces within the church and then have musical groups move outside, perform for different audiences, so that the benefit is on the side of the restaurants, the shops, the squares, but also of the church, who gets new communities to enjoy their beautiful buildings and outside atmosphere. Another interdisciplinary team during the Makeathon thought about ideas to recycle waste within urban environments. They came up with an idea to create a tree, like a sculpture, in which you could deposit your waste in different bins and separate it. You could at the same time recharge your mobile devices because you had a power slot generated from solar panels at the tree. It's also a nice bench on which you could just meet and Another venue we looked at the Makeathon was the role of public parking lots, which take up a lot of space in the inner cities. And our team during the Makeathon developed new ideas to have open workspaces within public parking lots to challenge our understanding of, does this need to be a space for cars, or could it be a space where people work outside if they don't have to stick to the office anymore in times of COVID?